you in the park. Coast to guy 101. See you in the park. Get those hands in the air. See you in the park. Coast to guy 101. See you in the park.
Well. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. Welcome to a very special video. Something different than I've done before. I thought I would do something a little interesting. Hopefully you guys find it interesting. But what I would be doing is I would be putting or assembling the coaster cutout that I have for Millennium Force, which is actually just a car. Hopefully soon I can get the whole train. And who knows, maybe after this I might be hooked on doing these and doing a whole collection. So with that being said, let's get started. So, take this out of the box. Never done it. I have not done an unboxing video, but anyways. So let's put that here. And here we have, it's in a plastic wrap, shrink wrap. Ta-da! Then we have the directions. And then eventually, looks like here is the end result. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. But I want to carefully get this out of the shrink wrap. I'm always careful about it because I'm always afraid that I'm going to scratch or end up doing something to ruin it. So looks like that's not working. I might have to take just a pair of scissors, cut maybe a corner of it off, or maybe at least that part right there, very carefully. Maybe not. Let's try this corner here. Lift it up, carefully cut it. I did cut a little, tiny little hole here. Hopefully I can get a good grip. Piece by piece, because I am being extra careful with it. There we go. Let's take it out of the shrink wrap. We got a good grip. There we go. Voila! The shrink wrap is going in the trash. Let's see what we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, and that already popped out. I guess that would be the base. Wow, there's a lot of pieces here. See, these are the wheels. You can see the wheels. It's like they pop out pretty because I just popped something out a little bit. Yep, I just did. So this is the front of the car. So we got these 3. Let's see. It usually tells you. No, it doesn't tell you. Okay, looks like it's gonna be pretty easy. So just follow the picture directions and we'll go from there. So let's get started. Let's push it out really carefully. Okay, so I got the first board cut out, which is looks like the car itself. So let's put that to the side, and then looks like we have the wheels. Not sure what this is, but actually, let me go ahead and get this real quick. Put that there because there doesn't seem to be too much here. There's that. I guess all these do come apart. There's like so many different. And I'm being extra careful not to break or bend any parts that are extremely needed. There's that. Looks like I got everything. So I'll put that to the side. And then there's just a little bit pieces here. I guess that do come apart. The way they packaged it is kind of pretty neat how they did it. Okay. So these are apart. And then let me get to the wheels. I got the, looks like the front seats done. So, so I think these are gonna go probably on these, on this piece here. And then we'll go to let's get that snap, crackle, pop into place. You hear that? I might have gotten it. These back here needs to come in. This one needs to be more flush. There you have that. The armrest is not really in there properly or as strong. They did say that some pieces may be loose, but it'll be okay. It should be fine. There you have it. They look like stadium seating. Starting to look a little bit more like the Millennium Force car. Alright guys, so I kind of jumped a little ahead. Because this is really complicated and it took me a minute to figure it out. So I got the base ready. I got the car done. I had to redo the wheels because I kind of did it wrong. So, but I'm going to do one last part before I put it on the base, which is the side step bar that is on the side of the car. So I'm just going to put these on. It's going to snap. It's supposed to be right. So there. It's supposed to snap, or is this no? Oh, I see. It snaps in there. Snaps in there. And snaps in there. Okay. And let's put this one on, and then we'll be put this one on, put it on the base, and then we'll be done. So it looks like we're done with the car. So look at that. Let's do a little spin. Yep. So I kind of had to redo the wheels because I did the wheels wrong, and it wouldn't fit on properly. So I had to take the wheels apart, put it back on. So anyways, there we go. Now this is gonna snap on because there's two. Well, there goes safety. They did say that some parts are gonna be loose. It may not stay on. So to use super glue, but I don't have super glue. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on. There's two little things here. See these two? They're going to go on the bottom of... There's two holes down here. You just put them on in there. Gonna have to wiggle it in to get it in there. And voila, there you have it. There's the Millennium Force coaster cutout, Millennium Force coaster cutout, the car. There you go. Says center point right here on the base. Millennium Force there. Ain't she a beauty? I may not be perfect, but it was pretty pretty difficult because of my first time doing it, but now I know what I'm doing. So the other one shouldn't take as long. So I apologize if this video is too long. I tried to do the time lapse to help cut through, and I ended up having to cut out because I didn't want the video to be too long. So anyways, there you have it, Millennium Force, and I love it. So I think I'm hooked on these, so which means I'm going to start buying some more and just start a collection. I still got to do my Nano Coaster collection, so I'm going to be doing both at the same time, and maybe I'll start doing more videos like this for you guys. If you like watching these, let me know in the comment section below. That way I can do more of these for you guys and go from there. So anyways, thanks for watching me put this together. Thanks for always being here. I'll see you guys in the park and on the next video.
See you in the park. Coaster guy 101. See you in the park. Get those hands in the air. See you in the park. Coaster guy 101. See you in the park.